Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Gucci model, GG0818SA in color code 001. It's a gold Havana color frame. On the temples here, we have a gold Gucci writing. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. This is the other side of the temple, and it is the same. The lenses are a gray gradient color, and on the top right lens, we have a Gucci logo engraved in the lens. The style of the frame is fashion square. Up here we have a case. Colors may vary with purchases, as well as a dust bag, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity booklet, and your manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.